Welcome back, guys. Let's get into another Kitchen 33 video. We're bringing you creamy lemon pepper shrimp. Let's do it. First, we're going to get some water boiling for our bow tie pasta. We're going to be adding some olive oil and some lemon pepper seasoning to this. Once you have that rolling boil, add your bow tie pasta. Next, we're going to chop up 2 Roma tomatoes, a third of a white onion, and finally chop some parsley. Next, we're going to get some olive oil going on a medium heat. Once our olive oil is to temperature, we're going to add in our tomatoes and our onion. All you're wanting to do is sweat these down. We're going to caramelize the onions a little bit, burn off some of that moisture from those tomatoes. It should only take a couple minutes to caramelize those onions. Once those are caramelized, we're going to throw in a tablespoon of butter and a tablespoon of minced garlic. We're going to lower our heat and let that butter melt into the onions and the tomatoes. Next, we'll add in a teaspoon of each paprika, lemon pepper, Dano's original, and red chili flake. Once our seasonings are incorporated, we're going to spoon this mixture into our blender. Once your onions and tomatoes are in your blender, we're going to add a quarter cup of milk, a quarter cup of heavy cream, and a tablespoon of sugar. Now just blend until smooth. Once you've blended your tomatoes and onions, we're going to add our sauce back into our saucepan on a low heat. Time to add our raw shrimp to the dish. Keep your shrimp moving so they cook evenly. Keep the heat low, and don't let your sauce get too hot. Your shrimp should only take 3 to 4 minutes to cook. Once your shrimp are done, it's time to plate up. I dressed this dish with some freshly chopped parsley, a squeeze of lemon, and cracked black pepper. I hope you guys enjoy this dish as much as I do. Until next time, see you later.